I'm Jordi from Jordinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we are making cheese buns. So let's start. Melt the yeast and water together with some honey. Let this sit until it becomes foamy. In a bowl add the flour and salt. Mix it together. When the yeast mixture is ready, add it to the dry ingredients. Mix it with a dough hook until it becomes a subtle dough. Cover and let it rise for 90 minutes or until doubled in size. Knock out the air and place the dough on a floured work surface. Roll out until 1 cm thick. Add the butter over half of the dough and fold the other over it like a wallet. Roll out again until 1 cm thickness. Imagine the dough in 3 equal parts. Fold one side towards the center and fold the other half over the first half. Roll out again. Repeat the step 4 times. Flatten out once again and add the butter and cheese. Roll the dough into a log shape and cut into equal parts. Place them in a prepared tin or shell. Cover and let it rise for 45 minutes or until doubled in size. After the last rise, grate some cheese on top and bake at 180 degrees for around 15 to 18 minutes. And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see next and make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.